Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you how you can do chain lubing pretty cheaply. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need for this DIY is the Motools gear oil. It cost me around 700 rupees. I leave the links in the description below. And then you'll need a spray bottle like this with kerosene inside it. Now this is what you need for cleaning. You'll need an old toothbrush. Then you'll need a brush to scrub on the chain. And you'll need a piece of cloth like this. That's all. So you also need this G roller, which needs to be placed under the tire so that the wheel rotates. Next, spray this kerosene liberally on the chain. Next, use this brush to scrub the chain. And the next step is to take a clean piece of cloth and clean the chain. Now I'm using the Motools gear oil for lubing, and I'll show you how to do that. You need a small cup also like this. I just got it from a plastic bottle. Just pour a little bit inside this. This might be too much, I'm not sure. So this is how the gear oil looks like. Next, use this toothbrush to apply this gear oil onto the chain. There's actually a chain roller down, so if you want to, you can lubricate that as well. It's right over there. So actually this DIY is supposed to work out a lot cheaper because of the use of the gear oil. It's actually much more efficient and much more better than Motools' own spray lube. Also it works out a lot cheaper. I think the Motools spray cleaner and spray lube is actually very expensive, and if you will have to do it every 500 kilometers, and it's going to be a lot more expensive. So this is actually a very cheap and best way to do this chain cleaning and lubing every 500 kilometers. So please do adopt this technique. Anyways, I hope you guys found this DIY useful, and if you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.